Minister in charge Housing Marquis N. Marak has informed that a departmental inquiry will be conducted to verify allegations of irregularities in the procurement of roofing sheets. Meanwhile, Hinyotrap Youth Council HYC President Roy Cooper Sinrem today lodged a complaint with the Meghalaya Lokayukta demanding an inquiry into the alleged irregularities in the procurement of corrugated aluminium roofing sheets by the Housing Department.
We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied.
Kitin ba gajing siya ka director jong housing kipan no new supplier ban wan ra ite kitin ki balong gajing ban jong ka kade 45 mm regi ki ba poi pat ka po block kite ki batang 25 adu 28 mm ya din mangilap ha ye kani gajing thua nilabu ka wi gajing dawa ba kata kalong ba ka sorkar kade ban pelong ye gajing tokit but de ban thung nu officer ba ladau tokit ude ban khot lang ngiru mangindat sajaka ban pet lani ban lap ye gajing sisya